A new milestone for Dubai, a new wonder to inspire the world. Burj Azizi, the world's second tallest tower. Imagine living among the clouds on heights unforeseen, a life that merges you with the celestial realms. A 7-star hotel that celebrates culture and opulence. The world's highest observation deck to seek beyond the horizon, all in the bustling heart of Dubai. Launching in 8 iconic cities on the 19th of February, Dubai Conrad Hotel, New York Marriott Downtown, London the Dorchester, Tokyo Palace Hotel, Sydney Four Seasons Hotel, Singapore Marina Bay Sands, Mumbai JW Marriott Juhu, and Hong Kong the Peninsula. Register now and be part of